Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use the Ken Burns effect on iMovie. Okay, Ken Burns is an additional effect that is given to an image. It zooms in or zooms out. So I'll show you how it works. So I'm playing the clip. So you can see that it has zoomed out. So it gives an additional effect that catches the user's eye. So let's see how you can do it. So select the image and you can see a frame like icon here called cropping. So click on that and you'll see three options here. So click on Ken Burns and you can see two options here, start and end. So start is where the first frame would appear to be. So let's you can shrink it down, or you can if you want to zoom out, zoom in, then you'll have to keep the start as a larger view, and you have to drag down the end to the smaller version so that it zooms in, right? But if you want to zoom out, you got to do the reverse. Keep the start as a smaller version and keep the end to fill up the whole screen, right? So this is how you do it. You simply have to uh, drag the sizes according to how you want to zoom in, and you can also position it. As you can see, I'm bringing it to the center and moving it to the right. You can do anything that you want with the clip that's available. So I'm setting it and click on the tick button here, and that will set it up. So when you play it, you can see the effect, and it's really cool that attracts users' eye. So hope you found this video useful. Thank you.